what you think about this AI thing, yeah, this AI music thing, yeah, what them a talk about nowadays? AI, sing song and a write
Alright.
song and them thing there.
Wow. Alone that's the name AI, artificial intelligence. Me just think say, so, no man make that thing, the man. Me just think say, it don't make no sense to me, man. Cause you go make one sit for control me and control everything about me. And I'll tell say that I go produce, when me produce a virgin there. I take away your box, I take food out of people, man. Slowly. Me not think so. Me not like it.
What you not like? What you don't like?
Me not
about
like the idea about this AI thing that they taking over the music first and foremost. Cause them want tell you say you can get an AI if it produce you. Or you can work with AI if it produce your music.
You know me things.
Me just find it
Alright.
off guard.
Alright.
Then
Then knock with vinyl, then come with CD. Then knock with CD, then come with thumb drive. Then knock with thumb drive, then come with laptop. Then knock with laptop and I come with something else. Now them are go to AI. Why I don't know? It don't look good. This AI thing, yeah, don't look good because people supposed to be creative out of them head. God, that's how we know it. You create lyrics and melodies out of your head. You strum out melodies and keys and notes from your finger out of your brain.
from your meds.
So if them are going to have an artificial intelligence, something now we are going to come now. If you come give you melody. I not only give you melody, but I write song too. And I sing too. So well I know when an artist write a song and the song go #1 and become a hit, and the world want to see the artist perform, what do them bring the artist on tour, bring the artist on some festival, and the fans them get to see the artist perform. So when an AI write a song and sing it and then put it out there and it become a hit, who will go up and see it? AI?
What you mean?
AI is a person?
You mean if AI is a computer? So if AI control money system and everything.
But all AI go up on stage go sing. Me not get that
It's gonna happen, man. You know that predict something, you know.
What?
You know, tell me.
Hold on, you near Yami.
Yeah, I tell you a story when I see.
Hold on, you near Yami.
The manifestation.
You near Yami. You do a song. He go it.
Yeah.
The people don't want to see Yamik. Them book Yamik for shows. Yamik present himself. People see what Yamik look like.